Kashmir is a beautiful place. It is in India. Nestled in the northern part of the Indian subcontinent, this region is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and serene environment. The valley is surrounded by the majestic Himalayan range, which adds to its enchanting beauty. The snow-capped peaks stand tall, creating a picturesque backdrop that captivates the hearts of all who visit. People call it paradise on earth. High mountains surround Kashmir. These towering mountains are not just a sight to behold, but also a haven for adventure enthusiasts. From trekking to skiing, the opportunities for outdoor activities are endless. The lush greenery that blankets the mountainsides is a testament to the region's rich biodiversity and natural wealth. Sparkling rivers flow through it. The rivers, with their crystal-clear waters, meander through the valleys, providing a lifeline to the flora and fauna. These rivers are not only vital for the ecosystem, but also offer a tranquil setting for visitors to relax and rejuvenate. The sound of the flowing water is like nature's own melody, soothing the soul. The air is fresh and clean. The pristine environment of Kashmir is a refreshing change from the hustle and bustle of city life. The clear blue skies and the unpolluted air make it a perfect destination for those seeking peace and tranquility. The meadows, with their vibrant hues, stretch as far as the eye can see, inviting visitors to take a leisurely stroll and soak in the natural beauty. Kashmir has many beautiful places to visit. Each place is special. From the iconic Dal Lake, where you can enjoy a shikara ride, to the Mughal gardens, which are a testament to the region's rich history and culture, there is something for everyone. The ancient temples and shrines scattered across the valley offer a glimpse into the spiritual heritage of the region. They are like paintings come to life. The landscapes of Kashmir are so mesmerizing that they often seem unreal. The vibrant colors, the play of light and shadow, and the sheer diversity of the scenery make it a photographer's paradise. Every corner of this land has a story to tell, a moment to capture, and a memory to cherish. Let's explore some of these amazing places. Join us as we take you on a journey through the heart of Kashmir, where every sight is a feast for the eyes and every moment is an experience to remember. From the bustling markets of Srinagar to the serene landscapes of Pahalgam, from the adventure trails of Gulmarg to the tranquil shores of Sonamarg, there is so much to see and do. So, pack your bags and get ready to be enchanted by the unparalleled beauty of Kashmir, a land that truly lives up to its name as paradise on earth. Dal Lake is in Srinagar, the heart of Kashmir. It is a very big lake. You can see it shimmering in the sunshine. People live on the lake in houseboats. They are colorful and pretty. You can ride in small boats called shikaras. They take you across the lake. Gulmarg means Meadow of Flowers. Nestled in the Pir Panjal range in the western Himalayas, this picturesque town is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike. The name itself evokes images of vast meadows blanketed with a riot of colors, set against the backdrop of majestic snow-capped peaks. It is a good name. The meadows are adorned with a variety of flowers, each adding its unique hue to the landscape. From the delicate daisies to the vibrant poppies, every flower contributes to the symphony of colors that define Gulmarg. In spring, the ground is covered in colorful flowers. The arrival of spring transforms Gulmarg into a floral wonderland. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers, and the sight of endless fields of blossoms is nothing short of magical. It's a season that breathes life into the valley, attracting photographers, artists, and nature enthusiasts from all over the world. It is a beautiful sight. The panoramic views of the flower-covered meadows are breathtaking. As you stand amidst this natural splendor, you can't help but feel a sense of peace and tranquility. The vibrant colors and the serene environment create a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Gulmarg is also good for skiing in winter. When winter arrives, Gulmarg undergoes a dramatic transformation. The meadows, once covered in flowers, are now blanketed in snow, turning the town into a winter sports haven. Skiers from around the globe flock to Gulmarg to experience its world-class slopes and pristine snow. People come from far away to enjoy the snow. The winter season brings with it a flurry of activities. From skiing and snowboarding to snowshoeing and sledding, there's something for everyone. The town buzzes with excitement as tourists indulge in the myriad of snow activities, creating memories that last a lifetime. You can ride a cable car up the mountain. One of the highlights of a trip to Gulmarg is the Gulmarg Gondola, one of the highest cable cars in the world. The ride offers a unique perspective of the snow-covered landscape, taking you high above the ground and providing a bird's-eye view of the stunning scenery. It gives you amazing views. As you ascend, the panoramic vistas unfold before your eyes. The vast expanse of snow, the towering peaks, and the serene beauty of the landscape are truly awe-inspiring. Whether you're visiting in spring to witness the floral spectacle or in winter to enjoy the snow, Gulmarg offers an unforgettable experience that captivates the heart and soul. Pahalgam is a green valley. It is where the Lidar River flows. The water is very clear. You can see the rocks at the bottom. Shepherds bring their sheep to Pahalgam. The sheep graze on the green grass. It is a peaceful and relaxing place to be. Section 5. Sonamarg Meadow of Gold. Nestled in the heart of the Kashmir Valley, Sonamarg is a place of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Known as the Meadow of Gold, this enchanting destination is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Sonamarg means Meadow of Gold. The name itself evokes images of a landscape bathed in golden hues, and the reality does not disappoint. As you wander through the meadows, you'll be greeted by a sea of yellow flowers that stretch as far as the eye can see. It gets its name from the yellow flowers that bloom there. These flowers, with their vibrant yellow petals, create a stunning contrast against the lush green grass, making the entire meadow look like a golden carpet laid out by nature itself. They cover the ground like a golden carpet. Walking through this golden expanse, you can't help but feel a sense of peace and wonder. The flowers sway gently in the breeze, their delicate fragrance filling the air and adding to the magical atmosphere. Sonamarg is near a glacier. This proximity to the glacier adds another layer of beauty to the region. The glacier, with its pristine white snow, stands in stark contrast to the golden meadows, creating a breathtakingly beautiful landscape. You can see the white snow shining on the mountaintops. The sunlight reflecting off the snowy peaks creates a dazzling display of light and shadow, making the mountains look like they are covered in a blanket of diamonds. It is a magical sight. The combination of the golden meadows, the snow-capped mountains, and the clear blue skies creates a scene that is nothing short of a fairy tale. Sonamarg truly is a meadow of gold, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. Section 6. Betab Valley, a cinematic paradise. Betab Valley is named after a famous Indian film. It was shot here. The valley is very green and lush. A clear river flows through the valley. Tall trees stand on the sides. It looks like a scene from a movie. Section 7. The Allure of Kashmir's scenery. Kashmir's beauty is famous around the world. People come from all over to see it. They enjoy the mountains, lakes, and valleys. The fresh air and peaceful atmosphere are special. Kashmir is a place to relax and forget your worries. Section 8. Preserving the beauty of Kashmir. It is important to take care of Kashmir's natural beauty. We must keep the environment clean. We should not litter or pollute. We can all do our part to protect this special place. Let's work together to keep Kashmir beautiful for everyone. Section 9. Exploring the world's wonders. The world is full of amazing places. Each place has its own beauty. We can learn about different cultures and people. Traveling to new places is exciting. It opens our minds and hearts. It helps us understand the world better. Section 10. What awaits your discovery? What places do you want to explore? Is it the Great Wall of China? Or maybe the pyramids of Egypt? The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Start planning your next adventure today. Section 11. Join us on a journey of exploration. If you enjoyed this journey through Kashmir, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing adventures around the world. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep exploring.